Welcome to our tutorial on creating a custom media and interactive marketing template. In this video, we'll walk you through the entire process from setting up your template to sending it out. To navigate to the template messages, first go to the profile icon on the top right of the dashboard. Then click on Settings, followed by selecting Chatbot Platforms from the left menu. Next, select WhatsApp and finally select Template Messages. Now click on New Template to create a brand new template. Here, you'll write the desired name for your template. Next, we'll select the template category as Marketing. From the Template Type option, select Custom Media and Interactive. You also have the option to select the desired language for your template. Now click on the Next button. On the very top, you can see an option to create the template with AI. We actually have a dedicated video that shows you how to use AI for creating templates when you prefer not to make one manually. For the headers, you can select the desired header type from the options provided, such as text, image, video, document, or location. In our example, we are choosing text as the header. Now let's go ahead and add the header text. Next, you'll write your main message in the body section. You can even add variables in your message, which helps you personalize the message right before sending it. To do this, click on the Add Variable option at the bottom left of the body card, then give the variable a name, and finally click Add Variable. If you want to add an emoji to your message, simply click on the emoji icon located at the bottom right of the body card. If you'd like to add a footer, you can do so by switching the toggle on and then writing the footer text. This will appear as faded text right below the body message and is ideal for branding or providing instructions. If you wish to add a button to your template, you can do so by switching the buttons toggle on. Once you switch the toggle on, click on the Add a Button option and you'll see various types of button options available. The very first button option is the Marketing Opt-out button. This button lets users choose if they want to continue receiving marketing messages from your business. If they click it, they will no longer receive further messages from you. Next is the Custom button. This button allows you to trigger a custom chat flow when users click on it. This is incredibly helpful for creating a unique messaging journey for a customer, and you can refer to our dedicated video on this topic for more details. For this example, let's type in the button label as No More. Now we have three types of Call to Action button, or in short, CTA buttons. The first one is Visit Website. This button is used to redirect the user to a specified website when they click on it. Select the Visit Website button option and then edit the button name as needed. In our case, we are naming it View Pricing. We will now add another Visit Website CTA button. Please note that you can only add a maximum of 2 Visit Website CTA buttons to your template. Next, we can add a Call Now CTA button where you can add your phone number. When the user clicks on this button, the number will automatically appear on their dialer pad, allowing them to make a call instantly. Lastly, the Copy Offer Code button lets the user copy a specific code which could be used for an offer you are currently running. If you want to save the template as a draft, click on the up arrow next to the Submit button and select Save as Draft. This allows you to edit the template later before submitting it for approval. For now, we will directly send the template for approval from Meta by simply clicking on Submit. Now click on the Sync Messages button to sync your template messages. Please note that it may take anywhere from a few seconds to up to 24 hours for the message to get approved. Once your template is approved, make sure to click on Back to Workspace. You will then be redirected to the dashboard. From there, click on Chats from the left sidebar. Next, click on the Send Message button located in the center of the screen. This action will open a drawer where you can either search for an existing contact or type the number manually. Next, you will select the template message from the list of pre-approved template messages from Meta. Now personalize the message by adding a specific value to the variable you created earlier. If you want to save this value to the contact, turn on the Save to Lead Data field toggle and then select the specific field where you want the value to be saved. You will also see a toggle option to automatically resend the message in case it fails to deliver. For marketing messages, it's highly advised to switch this toggle on to ensure delivery. Now, you have two options. You can either schedule the template for a later time or share the template directly. In our case, we are sending the template instantly. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to create, personalize, and send a custom media and interactive marketing template. We hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching.